In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font color on Evernote. Changing font color is a simple way to make your notes more readable, more organized, and easier to scan. You can use color to highlight key ideas, separate different types of information, or simply make your notes look a bit more personal. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps and share a few quick tips along the way. First, open Evernote in your browser or desktop app and navigate to the note where you want to change the font color. Make sure you're in editing mode so you can make changes to the text. Now, look at the text you want to style. Using your mouse or trackpad, click and drag across the words you want to change. This is called highlighting or selecting text. You should see the text background turn slightly shaded, which tells you it's selected and ready to be edited. Once your text is highlighted, move your attention to the formatting toolbar that appears above your note. This is the same bar where you see options like bold, italics, and underline. Among these tools, look for the highlight or text color button. It often appears as an icon with a letter and a colored line or marker under it. Click on this highlight button to open the color options. After you click, you'll see a small color panel or menu appear. In this menu, there will be a color circle or swatch that shows the current color in use. Click on that color circle above the options to expand the full list of available colors. This is where you can really customize the look of your text. Now, from the color choices that appear, select the color you want to apply. Simply click once on the color, and Evernote will instantly update the highlighted text to that new font color. If you don't see a huge change, make sure your text is still selected and pick a contrasting color so it stands out clearly against the background. You can repeat these steps for different parts of your note, using one color for headings, another for important reminders, and maybe a softer color for secondary details. When you're done, just click anywhere outside the text to deselect it, and your changes will be saved automatically as part of your note.